off to the trash pile. Hey, I'm Colin and I'm going to show you how to change your cabin air filter on your Lexus IS 250. Alright, so we're inside the car and first thing you're going to do is open up the glove box. I've already taken out my plastic tray, so all I have to do is, take this plastic piece off by sliding it up and popping it out. And right there you can see the air filter. So we just gotta do these tabs here and slide it out. Alright, so I have the old tray out, the tray that it was sitting inside of, and this is the new one. Look at that. You could kind of tell the difference. I mean, it's pretty obvious actually. This is the cleaner one. So when replacing this air filter, make sure that the arrows on the filter and on the tray are facing the same way. After that, make sure that the air filter is also underneath these tabs here so that nothing is slipping past them. And make sure it's on the tray correctly and securely. Alright, we're good to put this into the car now. Alright, back into the car and just slide the tray right back into its spot. And while you're in here, make sure the tabs snap into place as well. Alright, and put this back on. Awesome, and you're good to go. Off to the trash pile.